The international break is over, but during this international break, there has been a lot of talking, a lot of propaganda going on right now on the internet, especially fans that are watching the Premier League, between Chelsea fans and Arsenal fans, concerning these two people, these two players that you are seeing on my screen. The Brazilian wonderkid Estavio and Madueke, the ex-Chelsea player that signed for Arsenal. And to me, I find it a little bit disrespectful. And I'm going to be speaking from the point of view of a Chelsea fan and the point of view of an Arsenal fan. Starting with Madueke. Because if you look at Madueke and his move to Arsenal, with what we have seen already, you cannot say that Madueke is a bad signing to Arsenal. You cannot say that Madueke is a poor player, because people are trying to make it seem like Madueke is a very, very bad player, or Madueke is a poor player, but that is completely false. Madueke is not a bad player. You cannot say to an Arsenal fan or to Arsenal that they signed a very bad player in Madueke. With what we have seen already, you can already see the contribution, the desire that Madueke has to upgrade that Arsenal squad. There's no doubt about the fact that Estavio is a good player. He has shown us that already. Coming to the Premier League your first season and doing what you are doing already is at that his age, 18 years old. So it shows a lot of potential and a lot of character in the boy. That he's going to be a good player, a good player for Chelsea, just like what Cole Palmer did. He's showing another good player that Chelsea has signed. But the disrespect that people are giving to Madueke is what I don't like, because if you look at Madueke last season when he played for Chelsea, you people won the conference league. You cannot say that Madueke did not contribute in you people winning that trophy. You people secured Champions League qualification. You cannot say that Madueke did not help you people in securing that Champions League qualification. Estavio is just coming. You people have not accomplished anything with him. You people have not accomplished anything. Even Champions League direct qualification to round of 16, you people have not done that. Premier League, you are not sure of securing Champions League position. With Estavio, you people have not, but with Madueke, you people did. So I think the people should show a little bit of respect to Madueke. The disrespect is too much. Estavio is a good player, no doubt. But that does not mean Madueke was a completely bad player. Is it okay? And Madueke might prove you guys wrong. Madueke might prove you guys this season Arsenal is going to win that Premier League. Or if not, Arsenal is a good contender. There is a high potential for Arsenal winning that Premier League. So give a little bit of respect to Madueke, Chelsea fans.